Everyone watched him walk in. Nobody watched him walk out. On December 17th, 1967, the sitting Prime Minister of Australia walked into the ocean at Cheviot Beach while his friends stood on the shore and watched. His name was Harold Holt. He was the most protected man in the country, and within minutes, he was gone. The search that followed was one of the largest in Australian history. Naval ships, military divers, hundreds of personnel combing the water and the coastline. They found nothing. No body, no clothing, no wreckage. Nothing to confirm what happened or where he went. The water was rough that morning. His companions warned him not to go in. He went in anyway, and the ocean simply kept him. Investigators never closed the case with a confirmed answer. Theories range from drowning to a staged disappearance to something far stranger. But here is the part that stays with you. Australia eventually built a memorial in his honor. It is a swimming center, and the ocean has never given him back.